This 2026 NuCamp Tag XL is a teardrop trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 13 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 2, microwave, smoke detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, LP detector, refrigerator, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this teardrop trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 NuCamp Tag XL is 1,703 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.